was the best band in the world. Tributes. Long time ago, me and my brother last year, we was hitchhiking down along in the lonesome road, and all of a sudden there shined a shiny demon in the middle of the road, and he said,
"Play the best song in the world around April Fools."
when me and us, we looked at each other, and we said, okay, and we played the first and it came to our heads, just so happened to be the best song in the world. It was the best song in the world. Look into my eyes, it's easy to see when one makes two, two and one makes three. It was destiny. Once every 100,000 years or so, when the sun does shine and the moon does glow and the grass does grow. Needless to say, the beast was stunned. And we're quick with this what tale. And the beast was done. He asked us,
You angels,
and we said, nay, we are the men rock. This is not the greatest song in the world. No. This is just a tribute. I couldn't remember the greatest song in the world. No, no. This is a tribute to the greatest song in the world. Alright. It's the greatest song in the world. Alright. The best motherfucking song, the greatest song in the world. I will sing it. Flick-a-doo-tee, flick-a-digoo, flick-a-digoo, flick-a-doo-doo-tee, flick-a-digoo, 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 flick-a-digoo,